Citrus delights. 15 must-make winter recipes. Gluten-free, dairy-free, and bursting with flavor. Welcome, citrus lovers. Today, we're diving into the magical world of citrus delights. With 15 must-make winter recipes that are gluten-free, dairy-free, and bursting with flavor. So, let's get started. 1. Classic citrus panna cotta. Fill these delicate sponge cakes with a delightful mix of fresh lemon, orange, and grapefruit juices, along with honey and vanilla. Serve chilled for the perfect weekend brunch. 2. Citrus ginger focaccia. This warm, gluten-free bread is filled with zesty lemon, juicy orange, and a hint of ginger. Topped with goat cheese and fresh herbs, it's a beautiful way to start your day. 3. Citrus zest and lavender ice cream. Silky smooth and packed with fresh citrus zest and fragrant lavender, this dairy-free ice cream is a delightful treat for any time of the year. 4. Citrus fizz salad. Combine juicy orange, grapefruit, lemon, and lime juices, honey, and a dash of lime juice in a pitcher. Add fresh cucumber, carrots, and mint, and refrigerate before serving. This refreshing salad is perfect for any meal. 5. Citrus glazed salmon. Grill or bake this salmon fillet with a zesty citrus glaze. Made from freshly squeezed lemon, orange, and lime juices, honey, and garlic. Serve with steamed asparagus for a complete meal. 6. Citrus herb chicken wings. Sprinkle chicken wings with a mix of fresh herbs, such as rosemary, thyme, and dill, and dip them in a homemade citrus sauce made from freshly squeezed orange and lemon juices, garlic, and honey. 7. Citrus roasted vegetables. Toss a medley of seasonal vegetables, such as carrots, zucchini, bell peppers, and eggplant, with fresh citrus juices, olive oil, garlic, and herbs. Roast in the oven until tender and bursting with flavor. 8. Citrus-infused chocolate. Melt dark chocolate and add a splash of freshly squeezed orange or lemon juice. Stir until smooth and pour into a mold. Let the chocolate set, then cut into squares and refrigerate. 9. Citrus panna cotta stuffing. Scoop out the center of a sponge cake and fill it with a mixture of freshly squeezed orange juice, heavy cream, and powdered sugar. Place back into the sponge and serve chilled. 10. Citrus-infused watermelon salad. Combine sliced watermelon, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and mint in a bowl. Drizzle with a zesty citrus dressing made from lime juice, olive oil, and honey. 11. Citrus fruit salad. Combine fresh strawberries, oranges, grapes, kiwi, and pineapple wedges in a bowl. Drizzle with a lemon-infused honey dressing for a burst of citrus flavor. 12. Citrus panna cotta with lemon butter. Stir together lemon juice, butter, sugar, and egg yolks until smooth. Pour the mixture into a cold, soaked sponge cake and refrigerate. Serve chilled with a sprinkle of powdered sugar. So there you have it, 15 amazing citrus-filled winter recipes that are sure to brighten up your taste buds and warm your soul. Enjoy!